That pop-on change. Oh.
I thought gas had took the pot cut off.
5.6.
I need to get that. So yeah, if you brake boosting too much, you spin and lose it.
Right. A little bit less this
I
time.
let it off a bit quicker that time.
Make sure you come to a full stop, otherwise it won't record it. Yep. Eco Pro.
Seen a 5.5.
There's a lot of wheel spin on that one. 5.5.
Yes.
As if.
What do we say when you drag it there?
5.5 seconds. Right.
Not to spin.
Spool the camera around that. No, you're gonna have to stop because this is gonna be really shaky. Oh. So, 5.5 seconds, 0 to 60. Right, so back out in the 90, playing with launch control is what we're doing. Yeah, so we've managed to get the launch control to work. We're curious to see what it'll do 0 to 60 times, so press record on that GoPro as well, and we will try and cover as many bases as we can. Go for it. Yeah, let's do it.
Are we set?
Yeah. That, like,
I missed the shift then as well.
yeah, I know. I can't seem to move in too fast. 5.6 seconds.
Jesus.
With a missed shift. I mean, what's the stock 0 to 60 time on a TD590?
20 seconds or something.
Let's see if we can Google it. We need to know that. Right, hold on. So, TD590. Probably never even bothered recording it. Is she gonna load? Oh, she's loading. Got it. 15.8 seconds. So we're already 10 seconds quicker than a standard truck. Oh, that literally hurt. Yeah, you can do 0 to 60, 0 to 100. You can also get it to record G's as well. I think.
Consider my neck hurts, I think I'm getting a
Yeah, do 30 to 50 as well. Alright, so let me just put that back onto that. Oh.
I'm just going to try in sport. Oh, get into manual mode.
Yeah, go on then. So it'll be first gear start, won't it? 6.6.
That's if I shift it for myself in a second.
Yeah, so it's the first gear. The first gear is just a waste of time. Yeah.
But we've got to unlock so it sets that in a second, haven't we?
Yeah, so that's 6.6 seconds.
What was with the manual box? 6.1.
Yeah.
What's the best we got?
0.4 Gs.
We're only at 300 horsepower at the minute, aren't we?
Yeah. 1.2 seconds, 0 to 10 mile an hour. I'm going to do, hold on, 2.5 seconds, 0 to 30.
Not bad for anything.
Yeah. Right, hold on, let me get back onto the screen again. So the best so far is 5.6. There's a lot of options on this thing. Yep, there you go. Yep. shift again. .1. You can feel it twist the whole truck, can't you, as soon as it puts it under load?
You've just got to catch it at the right RPM, otherwise you're going to lose power, aren't you?
It all happens so quickly though.
Yeah.
6.1 seconds, so you've still not beat your fastest. 30 to 50 mile an hour in 2.7 seconds.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
Right.
5.8.
Was it?
Yeah. It's making my neck hurt. Literally making my neck hurt.
What did we get it? 5.6?
5.6.
Nice if we get it down to 5.5.
Yeah. Well, 5.4, 5.5's Aston Martin DB9 territory.
Yeah. We're going to have to pull the full power on that one.
If anybody's got an Aston Martin DB9 and they want to come and have a drag race with us so we can compare this. Real world and all that.
Are we set?
Yeah. It's still recording. Yeah, you've just stopped it. Say it again. There you go. .1, you're getting slower.
We did this last time with the runway though, didn't we?
Yeah. 6.1. If you run on, it'll tell you what. Do you reckon you will get a quarter mile down here, won't we?
Yeah.
Yeah. So do a full thing, and it'll give us a quarter mile time as well. See, the 30 to 50 was 1.8 seconds then.
Was it?
Yeah. Done.
Yeah?
Yep. Yep.
That speed is not accurate.
I can see that corner coming. I'm like, yep, we're there. Slow down. It's hurting my eyes. 6.1 seconds again. Rookie numbers, those.
Certainly my neck.
So the one we didn't record, 5.4 seconds.
That's
Oh,
some
as if.
going, that is.
Yeah, as if. After all of that.